The cat is on the mat. The cat is on the mat. I am happy. I am happy. You are tall. You are tall. She is a doctor. She is a doctor. I went to the store. I went to the store. The cup of coffee is hot. The cup of coffee is hot. I like apples and oranges. I like apples and oranges. I saw a bird outside. I saw a bird outside. The book is in the bag. The book is in the bag. That house is big. That house is big. I have a car. I have a car. It is raining. It is raining. This gift is for you. This gift is for you. I play games with my friends. I play games with my friends. The phone is on the table. The phone is on the table. She said hello. She said hello. She is going to the movies. She is going to the movies. I was tired yesterday. I was tired yesterday. You are a good student. You are a good student. I don't even know her name. I don't even know her name. I like pizza, but I don't like hamburgers. I like pizza, but I don't like hamburgers. Which color do you like? Which color do you like? This is our house. This is our house. Do you like to swim? Do you like to swim? I gave them the cookies. I gave them the cookies. These flowers are beautiful. These flowers are beautiful. I will call you later. I will call you later. She is tall as me. She is tall as me. The book is on the table as usual. The book is on the table as usual. He lost his keys. He lost his keys. They are playing their instruments. They are playing their instruments. Go by the bus stop. Go by the bus stop. We had a picnic yesterday. We had a picnic yesterday. It is very cold outside. It is very cold outside. I am tired, so I am going to bed. I am tired, so I am going to bed. We went to the park, so we could play. We went to the park, so we could play. I would like some milk. I would like some milk. They were at the beach. They were at the beach. The cat is there under the bed. The cat is there under the bed. I ate all the cookies. I ate all the cookies. Would you like to come over? Would you like to come over? When will you be back? When will you be back? I will go when she is finished. I will go when she is finished. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. This is my favorite book. This is my favorite book. I like chocolate. I like chocolate. The milk is like water. The milk is like water. He came in first place. He came in first place. Who is at the door? Who is at the door? She makes cakes. She makes cakes. The movie is about a group of friends. The movie is about a group of friends. I need to get groceries. I need to get groceries. The teacher gave us homework. The teacher gave us homework. We can take care of ourselves. We can take care of ourselves. The cat is on the mat. The cat is on the mat. I am happy. I am happy. You are tall. You are tall. She is a doctor. She is a doctor.